welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Sky and I'm so happy that you're here today. This is a big day for the Holmes family. We are closing on our new house and I am just so excited. We can hardly contain our excitement. This is such a big step for our family. We feel like we're really just like leaving a season of having really little kiddos and launching our business and all of that into this new season where we have older kids. I mean, they're still 3, 5, and 7, but nobody takes a nap anymore, and our lives are just changing, and it's really exciting, and we just feel so grateful and blessed to be able to just usher in this new season in a new house, and being able to design this home is just, it is a dream. So we are so excited to have you along for the journey. We're closing on the house in just a little bit, and then we're gonna head straight over, and I'm going to try to get in before the contractors. They are scheduled to be there this afternoon, and I'm hoping to film an empty home tour. So that is what today's video should be. I'd love to share a little more of the inside of the home, and then I'll probably share just the beginning of the renovation process, because like I said, I'm really hoping that I can beat them in the door, but they're probably going to be getting in there right around the same time as I am. So you'll get a little taste of what the house is going to be looking like. I'm also going to share my kitchen design board and show you some of the finishes that I've selected and some of the colors we're going to be using in there. And I'm so excited for that. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss a thing, and you can just be along for the journey with us as we make this new house our home. Thank you so much for being here again, and let's go ahead and check out the inside of our new house. Okay, here is the entrance to the home. It is very spacious and open and airy. It is a 2-story foyer, and I love this room in the entryway. This is going to be my office, and it just has so much light. These French doors are absolutely beautiful, and it's a really good size room. It's a little bit larger than the office that we have in our old house, and I'm just excited for all of the potential in this space. Now you're going to notice that I'm moving pretty quickly through the house in this video because the floor company pulled up literally right behind us as we got handed the keys from our realtor, and they were unpacking their van and were getting ready to start sanding the floors. So this video might be a little bit shakier than usual and just like a little quicker moving. So please forgive me, but I was really just racing against the clock and trying to get you a little bit of footage before they made their way in here. So as you can see, there is a dining room right off the front door, and then we move into the kitchen here, and the kitchen needs some TLC. The whole house does, really. So this house is not going to look anything like this, really, except for just the bones when our renovations are finished. The kitchen's getting all new countertops. The cabinets are getting painted and sanded. We are getting a huge white Farmhouse sink, new fixtures, and obviously hardware, new appliances. We're gonna do a beadboard backsplash, and it is just going to look like an entirely new space, and I cannot wait. Now moving down the hallway here to the left, we have our butler's pantry. Then we also have a pantry for our food, and then we have the laundry room. And I am so excited about this space. This area is something that we don't have in our old house, or didn't have in our old house, and Just the amount of storage that is in this home is unreal, and you're going to get to see that here pretty soon. But all of this cabinetry will also be painted, and the hardware will be switched out. We're getting a new sink, new countertops, backsplash, all of that to match the kitchen, so everything will be nice and consistent. And then over on this wall, it's actually going to be like our mud room too. So we're going to create some really cool storage solutions and hooks here for kids' backpacks and coats and shoes and all of that, because it is right off the garage door. And then here is our pantry, and this is twice the size of the pantry that we have in our previous home. So we are really excited to have just some extra space, especially with growing kiddos. Moving along, we've got the living room, and then here is our little eat-in kitchen area. So we'll have a kitchen table in here with a really pretty new light fixture. And then we have the sunroom, and we are almost like probably most excited for this room of any room in this home. I have been wanting a sunroom for years, and I am just so excited that the day has finally come and we get to have this beautiful pond view and golf course view right outside our window. We are putting a white brick in this space. It's a tile brick, and we're going to put it in the herringbone pattern, and you'll get to see a glimpse of that later on in this video. It's also what we're putting in the laundry room, so those will be matching floors. But we also have a deck that's off the sunroom, which is really nice too. So there's lots and lots of great livable space indoors and outdoors as well. In the living room, we're going to redo the fireplace. I honestly want to take everything, the tile, the mantle, and just completely start fresh. So more to come on that soon. But I love this little area here with the kitchen sink and the extended countertop, so that we can have some bar stools so that the kids can have breakfast and snack time up there. I've always wanted that, so I'm really excited about it. Here is the design board that I created for our kitchen, and so many of these fixtures and finishes are also going to be in the butler's pantry and the laundry room. So we are going with that big, deep, white, beautiful farmhouse sink, and we're going to be using some antique brass finishes in the home. Lots of beadboard. We're getting all new cafe appliances, which is like such a dream come true. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait to just see this vision come to life. So here's a quick glimpse of our master bedroom. Hello, blue carpet, blue walls. Wow, this is all going. We are replacing the carpet in here with the same carpet that we recently put into our last home. We just love it. It's really neutral. It's really plush and soft and cozy. And then, of course, the walls are going to be painted as well. But I cannot wait to say goodbye to this blue. This is the view out of our bedroom window, and some beautiful lace curtains. We are just so grateful to have this view and to be able to walk around the pond every day as a family and fish and ride bikes. And there's a little park over there that we get to go and just let the kids play. It's such a beautiful little oasis right in our backyard. And then here is the master bathroom. As you can tell, it's going to need some cosmetic work as well. We're starting with paint, and then we will eventually be ripping all of this tile out and essentially just starting fresh. You may have noticed the really interesting plantation shutter window situation that's between the bathtub and the water closet. I'm not really sure what that's all about. But moving over here, we've got just a shower. Again, the plan long term in this space is to rip all of this out and choose something else. But we do have a really good size master closet. It's about twice the size of the closet in our previous home. So we are just giddy with excitement over the amount of storage that we're going to have in this space. It is just so incredible. So we'll probably knock out all of this shelving over time and make this more of a functional, usable space for us. But for the time being, we are just more than happy with it and grateful for it. You can tell here they've already started removing the shoe molds, so things are really happening. Now we are upstairs, and as you can tell, everything really is just nice and open, which I just absolutely love. It lets in so much natural light and just feels really welcoming. We've got, how many? 4 bedrooms on this floor and 2 full baths, and you can see they're standing down here already. I just cannot even believe that this is real life and that this is happening, and I just absolutely am so happy to be sharing it with all of you. So here is one of the bedrooms that we've got upstairs. The master was on the main level, which is really nice. So the carpet up here is actually really not bad. We're probably just going to keep it. It's pretty new. And yeah, so here's the unfinished floor look, and this is kind of what we're trying to go for. This is the look that I want. I really want that kind of raw, unfinished look, but of course we've got to finish these floors and seal them. So we are going to try our best. The flooring company has just done a bunch of samples for us, and I think we've picked exactly what we want to try to preserve this look as much as possible, and you'll get to actually see the finished floors here at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I think they look absolutely incredible. Here's some golfers just golfing out the window. I still can't believe that this is our view. But the floors really are coming together. They were able to sand them in one day. I was blown away by how quickly they were able to get these sanded, and yeah, it just goes so fast. Here's some footage of Chad. He could not help himself. He had to start taking things off the wall right away, and it was cracking us all up. We had probably gotten the keys 30 minutes before this, but here is a bonus room, I guess technically, on the second floor, and this is what we're using as the playroom. It's a huge room. We're gonna put a couch and TV, and then of course all of the kids toys and everything in this space, so I'm really excited for that. But this is one of the things that drew us to this house so much. It's going to be hard to see, but this storage space, there are 4 of these inside the home that have shelving in them. They're huge, and so we're really excited. This home we can grow into, and we could honestly live here forever. I mean, there's actually a finished basement with a living room, 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a kitchenette. I don't get to that in today's video, but I definitely want to share that with y'all at some point. I could only get so much done with just construction and kiddos. Here's another just tiny little peek at one of the bedrooms upstairs as well. The kids were having fun, but it just looks so good, y'all. This was a different day, so now we're getting more into renovations, where the sink was being installed in the kitchen. Here are the finished floors. They look incredible. All they needed to do here was just put the shoe mold, but all of the poly coats are on and it's nice and sealed. And I wanted to share a series of some photos that I took in this space just as the week has gone on and what has gotten accomplished. So all of our trim and our doors and our baseboards are Heather by Dunn Edwards. And this is the same color that we're going to be painting our kitchen cabinets. Now this is only one coat of paint on the walls, so these are not finished. Obviously here they haven't even gotten to the walls yet, but this is the laundry room and I wanted to share these floors with you. They were just getting started on laying them today. And here is just another look at the staircase getting prepped for paint, and then a view of one of the kids' bedrooms upstairs. I am smitten with this color. It is absolutely cozy and so beautiful. Thank you all so much for being here. I really hope that you enjoyed this empty home tour. I know that we didn't get to the entire house because as you saw, the contractors were there and just ready to go. And so it is what it is, you know? I'll definitely be sharing more footage. I'm going to be taking so many videos. I want to have all of this documented, and I'll be sharing more design boards as we go along, and just some of the new pieces and finishes and products that I'm loving. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm so happy that you're here today. I hope you'll say hi in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.